Emerging trends in e-commerce. E-commerce is a dynamic and rapidly evolving industry with new trends and technologies constantly emerging. Here are some emerging trends in e-commerce that are shaping the future of online retail. 1. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, shopping. AR and VR technologies are transforming the way customers experience online shopping. AR allows customers to virtually try on products or visualize how they would look in their environment, while VR creates immersive virtual shopping experiences. These technologies can enhance customer engagement, reduce returns, and provide a unique and interactive shopping experience. 2. Voice commerce. Voice commerce, powered by virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant, is gaining popularity as customers use voice commands to search for products, place orders, and make purchases. Voice commerce provides convenience, hands-free shopping, and personalized recommendations, and is expected to continue growing in the coming years. 3. Social commerce. Social media platforms are increasingly integrating e-commerce features, allowing customers to shop directly from social media posts or ads. Social commerce combines the power of social media influence and e-commerce, creating new opportunities for businesses to reach and sell to customers on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. 4. Mobile wallets and contactless payments. With the growing adoption of mobile wallets and contactless payment methods, customers are increasingly using their smartphones or wearable devices to make purchases. Mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay provide convenience, speed, and security in online transactions and are becoming more widely accepted by e-commerce businesses. 5. Sustainable and ethical e-commerce. Sustainability and ethical considerations are becoming increasingly important to consumers. Many customers are seeking out environmentally friendly, socially responsible, and ethically produced products. E-commerce businesses that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices, such as using eco-friendly packaging, supporting fair trade, or donating to charitable causes, are gaining traction among conscious consumers. 6. Personalization and AI-driven recommendations. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used to analyze customer data and provide personalized shopping experiences. AI-driven recommendation engines can analyze customer browsing behavior, purchase history, and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations, offers, and promotions, which can enhance customer engagement, loyalty, and conversion rates. 7. Same-day and next-day delivery. Customers are increasingly demanding fast and convenient delivery options. Same-day and next-day delivery services are becoming more popular, with e-commerce businesses leveraging local fulfillment centers, drones, and third-party logistics providers to offer speedy and efficient delivery options, providing a competitive edge in the market. 8. Subscription-based e-commerce. Subscription-based e-commerce models, where customers pay a recurring fee for regular delivery of products or services, are gaining traction in various industries, such as beauty, food, and pet care. Subscription-based models provide convenience, predictability, and customer loyalty, and can generate recurring revenue for businesses. 9. Live commerce. Live commerce, also known as social commerce or shoppable live streams, involves live streaming of product demonstrations, Q&A sessions, and interactive shopping experiences. Customers can ask questions, receive real-time answers, and make purchases directly during the live stream. Live commerce can create engaging and interactive shopping experiences, driving customer excitement and impulse purchases. 10. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is gaining attention in e-commerce for its potential to enhance transparency, security, and trust in online transactions. Blockchain can be used for supply chain management, product authentication, and secure payments, providing added security and trust to online transactions. These are just some of the emerging trends in e-commerce that are shaping the industry's future. As technology continues to evolve and customer expectations evolve, e-commerce businesses need to stay abreast of these trends and adapt their strategies to stay competitive and meet customer demands.